Thanks.
Right, we are here. It took about 12 minutes to get on steel floor, so we're going Alright, here we go, everyone. You ready? Just keep your hand here. Hold on, that works.
We're trying some new things.
We're trying some new things. We're also comparing 2 360 cameras.
The camera just shut off.
It's still recording.
Oh, it is?
Yep, the screen just shuts off to
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here testing out the scientific method. Life is one giant scientific method. We've upgraded from the Beastie Boy to the Sony GoProMAX.
Sony GoProMAX, just let it roll.
We've upgraded to the GoProMAX. My friend Jason has lended me his camera for today.
Hello.
So we're trying it out. He's very kind enough to suggest it he's very kind to give his camera to me today, so be sure to check him out. Big thanks to him today.
Mike's filming his own video.
Anyways, here we go.
Gotta take my hat off.
Can't lose it. This is very precious. Gotta say hello to the airplanes. You can see the Hydra, the revenge.
Here we go.
That's what we call janky.
Here we go. Airtime, ready?
That was really good.
That was good.
I mean, I rode this back when like COVID happened, and it was just as good as I remember it. That ride was very good.
Oh yeah. Love this ride, everyone. All right, time to go to the sets.
That's so cool.
Look at him.
You're doing like that sarcastic face.
What?
I don't know. This camera's incredible.
This one's better though. This one's harder to keep steady though, because it's so tall. Look how tall it is.